Hello, everyone. This is Jiten Kumar from podcast Flying Colors, a brief conversation on colors and marketing. I will take you on a journey to explore how colors change the field of marketing, how they shape the top brands around the world. You would be absolutely surprised to find out how much these colors control you in your day-to-day life. Are you ready? Have you ever wondered why food companies use red and yellow in their theme? Why McDonald's is themed with red and yellow? Why Facebook uses blue color? Have you ever wondered how much these colors affect your decision making? How much they control what you buy? Have you ever wondered? If yes, you are in for a jackpot. In this podcast, we will talk about the best kept secrets of how companies use color in marketing. The latest Netflix documentary, The Social Dilemma, took the internet by storm. People were surprised and perplexed on realizing how much they can be controlled by a social media giant. But what if I tell you the most of the brands are taking advantage of your hardwired emotional associations? Then what would you do? You can't just erase these associations, which are developed over years and years of human evolutionary history. So what can you do? All you can do is be aware about these associations. So the next time when your emotional brain is taking over, you can tweak it to have at least some logical analysis to help your decision making. Colors evoke emotions. The more emotionally involved you are, the less critical and less objectively observant you become. Like language of conversation, language of colors is also decoded with respect to the context. The context of color interpretation is affected by culture, gender, age, religion, and our own past experiences. We are here to show you the immense possibilities. We are here to give you a new perspective toward colors and marketing. In China, color black is associated with power and immortality. That's why all government cars are black. In India, the same color is considered evil and has a negative connotation. But the black in general evokes the emotions of authority and power. That's why many luxury brands use this color, like Chanel and Louis Vuitton. But this interpretation of color can also be impacted by religion, country of origin. Different religions have different associations. In Islam, green is considered holy, while in Hinduism, saffron is considered holy. But across different religions, white is linked with peace. Therefore, while using different colors for your branding exercise, you should give special attention to the context in which that color would be interpreted. These hardwired associations between colors and emotions are used by brands to get your attention. But have you ever wondered how these associations were formed? Let's take you back in time when we used to hunt. In those times, majority of women were food gatherers and men were hunters. Women needed to find food sources by identifying red and yellow fruits among green foliage. Consequently, that role influenced color preferences for future female generations. And similarly, different kinds of associations were also formed over the period of time. Martin Lindstrom, author of Brand Sense, once said that 83% of all the communication you and I are exposed to every day is only appealing to the sense of sight. Top 100 brands in the world are continuously working on their sensory branding strategy. According to a great scientist named Crowley, color produces two types of reactions in our brain: arousal reaction and evaluative reaction. The interplay of these reactions, coupled with the context, produces the emotions that we feel on seeing that color. Arousal reaction is characterized by higher adrenaline, increased blood pressure, and heart rate. You feel more activated. Multiple studies have shown that warm color induces arousal. When you see these warm colors such as red or orange, you experience a greater sense of activation. Now let's take you to evaluative reaction. Studies have found that our evaluation is also connected to wavelength. We tend to like colors with shorter wavelength. But are you wondering how does it impact you? Okay. One study done on online dating network found that women found men in red more attractive. Why? The simplified explanation is that as soon as the node of red is triggered in brain, due to already established associations of romance and red, the women tend to get more attracted towards those dating profiles. So now my friend, you know what to put on your Tinder profile. Blue triggers the sense of trustworthiness and therefore is extensively used by banks and Facebook. In these businesses where a customer has to trust you with money or his personal data, creating a sense of trust becomes essential. White creates a sense of calm. Think upon the emotions that you felt on seeing the white light of Apple logo. The right color is what makes a good brand great. DHL painted their fleet of 18,000 trucks yellow overnight, and this rebranding exercise is considered one of the most essential steps in becoming the company they are today. Color can also impact our sense of time. In broad terms, hues such as purple, green, and blue, which are associated as being cooler, decrease perceived time passed. Whereas warmer hues, yellow, orange, and red, have been shown to lead people to overestimate it. Red creates a sense of urgency and increases appetite. Therefore, it is used extensively in food industry. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed the introduction. Now, in another 3 short episodes, I, along with my 3 colleagues, will take you on a journey in which my 3 colleagues will talk to you in depth about their favorite colors and how different brands leverage them for marketing and promotional purposes. But before going further, I want to caution you. About color theory. Color interpretations are subject to high degree of subjectivity. Variation in hue, brightness, and saturation also impact the emotions evoked. Therefore, think twice while selecting the colors. Think twice while designing your brand. Have you ever wondered why McDonald's is themed yellow and red? If yes, stay tuned. Stay tuned for our next episode. When in doubt, wear red. Stay tuned to Flying Colors.